Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes, any
Sir,
question?
when can we receive the yesterday recording?
Uh, you can ask Vivek. Vivek,
Yes, sessions will be uploaded soon and will be getting a link as in WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
except yesterday, all the recordings are there, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. So we were done up to application cracking. Wait, let me just make a note that what topics are left for doubt, so that it will be more easier to get more doubts. First topic was volatility, RAM capture. Second was, I think, uh, autopsy, secondary phone. Yes, third was creating word list. Be ready with your doubts, as tomorrow is a doubt section. Okay, let's start with investigation report, investigative report writing. So this is also very much important when you are a forensicator and you are dealing with cyber crimes or you are dealing with any crimes. Writing an investigative report is very much important. So it will be even more understandable to forensic science students also, because they will also be reading how to create a report. So let's start. So this is computer forensic report. Basically, the main thing, you should have all the detailed information that about the computer forensic investigation whole process. So these are the basic steps. Explain how the incident occurred. So you have to explain everything, that how this incident have been occurred, like it has been done by this tool or this thing. Like if there is a DDoS attack, there must be tool related to that attack. Like if I want to search anyone for a DDoS attack, I will be searching for low INR bit canon, higher bit canon, this type of software which are used for you can say attacking this software. Like I know the tool John the Ripper, it is used for application cracking. If there is a case for application cracking, then I will be searching for this tool, tools related to it. Like John the Ripper is there, and there are a lot of tools. I have attached a lot of tools here. These are the tools that I have used, uh, and some tools are here also, and some tools are here also. These are the tools used by me, and these are other tools also. You can use these tools as well. I think they must be around 50 to 60 tools. You can go through them. All the tools are very good. Second step is be technically sound and clear to understand. Basically, you will be telling the whole story to a person who is not that much sound, that much you are. Like you know that John the Ripper is a tool that is used for application cracking, but the judge doesn't know who is John, who is Ripper, and what is this John the Ripper, or anything related to application cracking. So you have to create a detailed report that how the investigation, so to make the judge or the advocate totally aware that how everything is working on. So, and now let's come to another point. Be properly formatted with the page and paragraph numbers for easy referencing. It is obvious for doing, even for doing our general task. Provide conclusions, opinions, and recommendations supported by figures and facts. So you have to play with the facts and figures. You don't just, you can't bluff anything that, like you have found my PC, you cannot bluff that, yes, this was the PC that must be used for the attack. Like if you found only a single computer at the raid, you cannot just judge that there is a single computer available. So this can be used for the, you can say, hacking purpose or that crime purpose. So you have to first investigate, and then you have to tell with the, you can say, tell with the complete facts and figures that how this was used. Adhere to local law, plan to be admissible in the court. In India, 65B certification is used. Let me show you the format of 65B certification. In honorable court jurisdiction case number dash 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 dash, the recorded audio. Okay, so this is for audio CD, and there can be a lot of other things also. Basically, it is for Evidence Act, Electronic Evidence Act. There they have taken example of CD. There can be pen drive also. There can be laptops also. There can be anything. Ordinary here, accompanying hard true copies of email, Facebook Messenger service records. So you can see Facebook Messenger records are here. Communication between two companies. So basically, they have created you can say complete record of Facebook Messenger service. Let me just show you how to take screenshot. That is validated in court also. Facebook. Okay, it's loading. So let's take example. I want to take example of this. Like this person has done some type of crime with me. Like he has, you can say, frauded me with amount of 2 lakh rupees, and I want to take screenshot of this. So if I take the screenshot of this using this tool, snipping tool, and click on new, and then you can see I have taken the screenshot. I can save it on my screen, desktop, Lakshit. And if I want to gain certification, 65B certification for this, I cannot get any type of certification because this is not the valid method to take the screenshot, and this can be morphed easily. So then how the screenshot can be taken? Control plus P. Okay, sir.
Piyush sir, good evening.
Yes.
Hello, Piyush sir, good evening. This is
Good
Dr.
evening.
Rajguru from India.
Yes, sir.
I would like to see the screen. I mean, screen is not visible.
Is screen not visible to everybody, or only sir is having problem? Vivek, can you please tell?
I can't see it in the screen.
Yes, sir. Let me just confirm. Uh, your voice is low of ForensicMart. Oh,
Your screen is visible, sir.
okay. My screen is visible. Sir, my screen is visible, I think. You can rejoin.
Um, I'll try. I'll try, sir. I'll try.
Okay, yes, sir. Today is you can say most basic section. So if you are not very good in computer forensic, cyber forensic, you can easily understand today's all the topics related to today. Jagdish sir, is it visible now?
Yes, sir. I can see. Thank you so
Okay, sir.
much.
So now you can see I have just pressed Control plus P. Basically, what this function will do, this will print the whole screen. So now I will click on save. I will click on desktop. It is like shit. Now it is saved, but where it is saved? Desktop. Okay, so the presentation is here. Sorry, the screenshot is here. If I go down, so here is the whole chat.
Sir, can you say that again?
The method to take screenshot.
Yes, sir.
So you have to press control. Wait, let me just start making notes for today. I have process to take valid screenshots CTRL plus P. If you press CTRL plus P, then wait a second. CTRL plus P, then a print screen will be available to you. You have to click on destination and there will be something separate will be selected. You have to click on save as PDF. Control plus P, destination, save as PDF. So this is how you have to take screenshots. Okay. So basically, why we take screenshot shot like this, because it stores all the hyperlink that are stored basically that are in your page. Like if I want to show you, Casper Sky is opening, and why it is opening, because it has even saved the link of this Casper Sky. How to hover the screen? Let me show you once again.
Sir,
So
Kaspersky is antivirus, no?
yes. Basically,
Anti,
at that time, yes. Casper Sky is an antivirus. Basically, what this tool is doing, basically what print screen is doing, it is saving all the links that are present at that time. If you see my screenshot, this was the screenshot taken. So if I go down, you can see behind link for Casper Sky is there. Basically, this is not even the link of Casper Sky. It is you can say blog of Casper Sky written by this company. TechNav.com release Casper Sky is planning. Casper Sky is planning tech name. Basically, what this thing is doing, it is saving all the links so that it is very much, you can say, basically this is the method that how your all your screenshots are validated in the court of law, because this proves that if you click on this link, it will be redirected to your, you can say, actual thing, your actual page. So this is how authenticity is maintained, and for this you can easily get a 65B certification. And for directly taken screenshots, there is a huge process, or you can say it is very much difficult to get a 65B certification that is admissible in the code, because they are very much easy to morph. It stores all the links that are present on a page. I think I'm not having Adobe Reader. I could have showed you how to hover over the links also, that how the links are even stored. Don't worry. So okay, let's get to our next point. Be submitted in a timely manner, because every proceeding needs a valid timeline, everything is time bound, so you have to consider your report and every process you are doing with time. So what are the aspects of a good report? A good report achieves its purpose by answering the questions that were set out in the mandate by investigators. Basically, someone is investigating, so your report should be a valid source to answer all their questions. Like they will be having questions like, was this device, when was the time, what was the time, what was the file, which was the file, which was when was the file used, is there any remote connections available there, what were the passwords, if there were any passwords, what was in the encrypted drives, what was in the encrypted zip files. These all these questions can be put. You have to just go through the questions and answer each and every question according to the, you can say, report. It is designed to meet the needs of the decision maker. So you should have a good report writing, so that using your report, the judge can easily make a good decision just by reading out the, you can say, your whole procedure, that how you have begun, how you have just completed the investigation, and what is your investigation saying about the whole scenario. A decision maker must rely on the facts that were presented in the courts. A decision maker will always rely on your facts because he is not that much sound in technology. He does not know many of the things, so he will rely on a professional. So he will rely on you. The facts must be based on evidence in the file. Yes, it's obvious. All your facts must be based on your evidence that you have found. It must be clear and written in neutral language so that the decision maker and his readers will be available to understand it. Yes, they are not technological sound, so it is a very much good point to all. Even if the judge is technological sound, you should make your report in layman language so that it is easily understandable by everybody. It should be concise and very convey necessary information. It should be structured in such a way so the information can be located easily. Yes, it should have an index page so that the, you can say, the investigator can quickly go upon the pages that he want to find out, like the evidence file is reporting file where you have started reporting. There is a separate way for indexing also. I think it will be covered further. These are the features of a good report. Explains method of investigation. Data collection includes calculation. So these three are orange. So these three are the first process. Collect data, include calculation. So what is include calculation? Include hashing. Provides the uncertainty and error analysis, explain results, discusses results and conclusions. So these are the further steps. Error analysis, how much error can be in your report. Explain result, that what is the report. Discuss the results and the conclusions. Basically what is conclusions and report results. Basically these are the, basically your conclusion is based on the result that you have found out. The last step is provide references, that using which references you are very much that much sure that that this is your decision, that how you have created your decision. Includes appendix, provides acknowledgements. These are also features of a good report. Truly define the details of an incident you are investigating, so detail of incident must also be there. Clear and understandable to decision makers, able to withstand legal inspection, clear and cut, and not to confusion. Yes, it is must consider point. Your point must be clear cut. It will not you can say create any type of confusion, because if there is any type of confusion there will be a big mess, because there are two parties fighting each other. So if there is any point in your report that can make confusion, so the other party will surely make the, you can say, the best out of it to make it a big, you can say, big issue for just a confusion. Easily referenced, contains all information required to explain the created in a timely manner. Okay, include metadata. Metadata is very much important because all the date, time, name, file size is there. Basically the timestamps are very much important in every crime, whether it is in forensic science, whether it is in cyber forensics. Metadata information about a file, including who created it and the time, that date and date stamps. So it is very much easy if you are having the metadata that who created this file using which system, like properties of day 4, details, who created it, computer, desktop. This is my profile ID. If I go on CMD, I type hostname, HOSTNAME. So this is my hostname, this is my computer ID, and this is the ID who have created this day for. So you can check both the IDs are same, means I have created this file. The significance of metadata is based on the properties and the file type. Two types of metadata can be used for a forensic investigation: system metadata, application metadata. Okay. Signature analysis. Signature analysis verify the signatures to know whether the file has been renamed or not. Basically, it is the hashing process. It identifies the difference between a file extension and the file header. It can be used for making hash sets for the filtering. It can be used to verify the accuracy of the resident file extension. Layout of an investigation report. Choose proper layout and presentation for the report and maintain consistency. Okay. Include sign points of the report to clearly communicate the information. Okay. Choose the numbering system. Basically, numbering system is very much important in indexing, because you cannot just provide the report like a paragraph, because nobody is going to read your whole paragraphs. They are having a very much limited time, so you have to create very much good numbering and labeling. Provide supporting materials. Yes, it should be done. Include data collection. Yes, the image should be attached there. Maintain a proper document style throughout the text. Yes, it should not be somewhere the text size is big, somewhere the text size is too much small that it is not even readable, and on some pages there is very much big fonts used. So this should not be done. So this is how layout is done. Also, numbering is done. So this is the decimal numbering system, divides the text into section. Basically, you can see introduction is written as 1.0, then the nature of incident, that how the you can say the incident has happened. If there is any victims 1.1.1, and if there is suspect 1.1.2. So basically the first one introduction part, second first incident, then you can do the location part, that you can consider all the locations that are related with the crime. Then you can deal, a fourth part can be, you can number anything, it is your choice. So the fourth part can be your requirements. Fifth part can be your evidences or artifacts. Sixth part can be your proceedings. Seventh part can be your final conclusion, and so on. It depends on your report, how big your report is, and what type of crime it is. So this is the legal sequencing number used in pleadings, Roman numerals, Arabic numbers, supporting numerals. Basically, this is how it is done when you are dealing with it. Basically, when you are an expert witness, when you are dealing directly with the, you can say, advocates. Basically, you are fighting the case. So report classification, verbal, formal report. So these are the four classifications of a report. Verbal format report, a structured verbal report delivered under the oath to board of directors. Basically, this is the verbal section when you just describe your whole report, you can say, in front of jury by verbal method, basically by telling everything that is inside your report. Then there is verbal informal, written formal, and written informal. So what is in written formal and written informal? An informal or preliminary report in written form. A written form sworn under oath, such as in affidavit or declaration. Basically, this is the report that you will present, and this is the report that you will present with oath and affidavits, or you can say declarations, that I am, that the declarations you can sign that yes, this is certified me, and this classifies all the necessary conditions, and yes, it proves the crime. All the, you can say, declarations, or if there is any type of affidavit, or you can say certificates are there like 65B, and the oath has also been taken that yes, I declare everything. Okay, so report specifications. PDF is preferred format for digital reports. Yes, why PDF is preferred? Because text file, because TXT and you can say doc and docs are not same in every devices. Like if you open a doc file in a phone and open a doc file in you can say your PC, there can be a error in formatting. Do not file a report directly with your code. Yes. Oh, sorry. Definition of goal or mission necessary. Definition should be there. It should be meaningful also. Order of writing should match the development of the case. Basically, everything should be in order. Like you cannot write your final first and then second last point at second number and then in reverse order everything, then in correct order. Basically, you have to go with order wise. Like first I created imaging, then hashing, then analyzing timestamps, then deleted files. Basically, you cannot just go through any file randomly. So you have to follow steps, and you have to write down all the steps which you have followed. Use of outline or arranged in suggested. Arrangement should be done. Keep a copy of the report. You should keep a copy with you also. Simple format for chain of custody document. Basically, this format is, I think, provided by EC Council that certifies for that gives certification for certified hacking for computer hacking forensic investigator. So they have provided all these formats. They are using the foreign law. uh, Minimal changes are there in all the countries, so you can just have a look. If you are having idea of, you can say, one complete document of how to write a document, you can easily know how to write documents and how to, you can just go through everything. It is just a, you can say, easy piece of thing if you know how to write report and how to do everything. Basically, first is laboratory or agency name, if there is any third party agency, case number, address, name, location of evidence obtained, reason why it was obtained, date and time evidence was obtained. Clear, I think everything is clear. Date, size, exact chain of custody forms, agency, site address, make, model. So basically, this is the computer description. If you are seizing a computer or taking anything from a computer, year of make, model number, serial number, ON, what is ON? So basically, there are a lot of things. You have to just fill the maximum information that you can get out from these devices. What is the OS that it is running on? These are the you can say the conditions or situation that you can find a computer. That is the screen, start button, other not available. This is the shutdown method you have used, hard not available, soft other unknown. You cannot just select unknown because you should know that how you have shut down, which method you have used to shut down. You the one method is hard, one is soft. So what is hard and soft? Just click on start, click on power, and click on shutdown. This is the soft method, but it is not used. It is never used. And why it is never used? Because if you use this method, all the running processes will get vanished. Like I have told you, like this file is open, and if I shut down, this file will be closed. So a hard reset, hard shutdown is used. What is done in hard shutdown? Like if I am dealing with, you can say, a computer. If I am having a computer, I have to just take out the plug. I cannot shut down. I will just take out the plug and will take the RAM with me at my forensic laboratory. If I am having a laptop, it is very much difficult to, you can say, open the laptop at that time and then you can say take out the RAM. So what I will do, I will just take the laptop with me. I will not shut it down. Shut down data and time if you have shut down it. Case type, that how which type of case it is having. Mini tower, mid tower, full tower, laptop, desktop, all in one rack mount. Basically, what they are the cabinets. That how your CPUs look like. That how your CPU actually look likes. All the other information is also there. Chain of custody RJ14 5 is your network interface. It is your Ethernet cable. Basically, it is the end of your Ethernet cable, and all the other connecting wires are there if you have you can say have used any wire, or you have just seized any wire, HDMI, USB, Thunder port, chain of custody, package, basically all the items that you have, you can say seized with date and time, released by name, your name, agency name, signature, received by reason, evidence collection forms. So you have to go through every, you can say, aspect. You can just go through everything like computer evidence worksheet, case number, manufacturer serial number, computer type, desktop, laptop, computer condition, good, damaged, number of hard drive. If it is having one, two, or three, like I am having two hard drives, so two. If there is floppy drive inside it, modem network card. Okay, nice. So these are the password settings. Basically, these are the BIOS settings. What was the BIOS time? What is the current time? Password for logon, if there is any password for logon. If he has provided the password should be here. If he has not provided the password, it should be empty. Current date should be here. CMOS hard drive, it's nothing. CMOS hard drive, okay, good. Basically, it is asking cylinder heads and sectors. If you know in detail the structure of
Hello,
hard drive,
hello, sir.
yes.
Yeah, so this information is normally which we cannot add automatically in our reports, right?
No, it's all, everything is manual.
No, but for example, in case FTK, they are automated reports.
Yeah, there are automated report, but in most of the cases we do not prefer automated reports. We prefer automated
Mm.
reports in investigation. Like you are doing investigation and you want to create a
Mhm.
report. So in that case, we prefer auto-generated report. Basically, yes, FTK is a very much, you can say, very efficient tool to generate a automated report, and this is also very much good. Basically, this is a form you can do it manually also, but nobody prefers it automatically because it is a mess to provide all the details automatically. You cannot basically even you can say catch up all the details automatically, because you have to collect all the evidences, then you have to connect all the evidences, then all the evidences will be captured, then all the details will be captured. So what basically is done, they just take name of the device ID, date, time, name, if there is any agency, signature. If you are from any agency, you should not write your name. You should just write the name of the agency and then signature, then received by dash dash. Basically, it is released by the owner and it is received by. It is the name of the owner of which you are just taking out the evidence. Like if there is any suspect and you are taking his phone, so his name and signature will be there. And then here the reason that why you are seizing the document. So you cannot,
Sir,
yes.
basically, uh, that signature giving timing the job, uh, transporting that time, no?
Wait a second. Yes, yes, yes. Sir, you can also explain what is VMware. Okay, I'm writing VMware also for day 3. Where is my text document? VMware. Yes, yes. Are separate forms. Save. When you are transporting, when you are seizing, when you are investigating, all the forms are different. This is evidence collection form. All the names are written on the top. You can just go through any of them. Computer evidence worksheet, computer evidence worksheet, hard drive, hard, it is for hard drive. Manufacturer, how much capacity is there, cylinder head sector. If you know what is cylinder head sector, I think if you have a good understanding of hard drive, you should know cylinder head and sector, hard drive evidence worksheet. So this was the you can say session for investigative report. Any questions from this, or should I start to for becoming expert witness?
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, we are writing the details of the device that we are having the suspect, right? Like which on which some suspect is there. But
Yes.
in the same way, we have to write the reports of the device which we have used to detect any of these things, right?
No, no, no. We don't have to write any of the detail of our device in this report. There is separate report for that, in which we have to just tell the methodology that we have used. That I have used this tool for this method. I have used magnetic wire for capturing RAM. Then I have used hash calculator, or if there is auto-generated hash calculator. And then I have used autopsy for analyzing, or FTK for analyzing. It is the later part. It is when you are just presenting your report to, when you are finalizing your report. Only that time you have to mention all your tools and methodologies that you have used.
Sir, can you explain shortly layout of investigation?
Basically, it is not in the short form because it cannot be even in short form because it is in detailed manner. Like you are going anywhere and you have to gain access to their systems, to their hard drives. So you have to just at least try to capture 4 to 5 steps. Basically, that is name, what is the drive, and if it is a drive or computer or laptop, and then the hash value if you have just created any image, and the sign if it needs any type of sign signature, I mean. So these are the basic steps. Basically, four to five basic steps are there that are followed by any of the organization or the law enforcement agencies. When you will be getting into the system, you will be definitely knowing that which are those 4 to 5 basic steps that needs to be considered on the priority basis. Because you can see, if I just go to that section again, there are many things that even don't need to be, you can say, written. Or wait a second. Okay, so if it is a small crime, the jumper, there is no use of jumper. It is, you can say, your chipboard. Master is there, slave is there, their cable selected is there. If I go to CMOS time, no, CMOS time is good, but see, what is this exhibit? Okay, so hmm, floppy drive is of no use in today's days, because I think I haven't seen any device with floppy drive in my past 4 years. Basically, these are the procedures and you should follow it. But when you will be getting into the system, you will be knowing that which are the basic steps and general steps that you must follow.
But anyway, this search is good. It can be customized, I guess, right?
Yes, it can be customized also, and it is
Yeah,
very much
because
customizable.
when you say it should be do it manually,
Yes.
what happened to the artifacts that I pulled from my investigation, which I found as evidence that comes with the hash value, because that could be provide the integrity of the evidence, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So basically, when doing it manually, it is very much good also. Because if you are having a manual hash value, it cannot be, you can say, tampered easily. Because even if you are using only online documents, a hash value can be modified a bit. They can change the hash value in the, you can say, the travel procedure.
Yeah, they can change the hash value of the artifacts that have been pulled out from the
Yes,
evidence,
yes, yes.
but they have to verify that from
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
exact evidence that where it was found,
Exactly.
right? So
Exactly, exactly, exactly.
to write that in manual process, it could be difficult to defend that. It could be
Yes, yes,
automated because
yes.
it should say it direct coming from these reports, which verify with that hash value, which they can also verify exactly from that evidence copy of that
Yes, yes,
case, right?
yes, exactly. If we are doing it manually, our sign will also be there to you can say authenticate it, like yes, our sign is there, so basically it is authenticated and it is not changed. And if there is any change in, you can say, offline, you can just go through them that and one more thing, you cannot just guess any type of hash, because hash is a big number. You cannot guess it. Like even if you ask me that what is the hash of 1, I cannot guess it. uh, like hash of 1 is this big number, so nobody can guess a hash value, I think. Yes, it is confirmed, nobody can. So doing it manually adds a point to it. So let's come to expert witness. So basically today we are dealing with theory mostly. I think we will be covering up the practical part in tomorrow's you can say doubt section. Okay, so expert witness is here. An expert witness is a witness who, by virtue of education, profession, or experience, is believed to have special knowledge of his or her subject beyond the average person, sufficient that are legally depend on his or her opinion. Basically, the understanding is very much clear that expert witness is someone who is having his or her having a special knowledge in a specific field. Like you are having a good knowledge in cyber field, so you are the expert witness in cyber forensics. The opinion of the expert witness should be authorized by a court of law. Okay, so it is just technical thing, not a technical
and
thing.
I think it's that's verified with such certifications,
Yes,
correct?
certification part is also there.
To become an
Yes,
expert witness.
yes. Like I am CHFI certified, so I am authorized in India to work with the cases computer hacking forensic investigator. Similarly, in foreign, CHFI is there, GSEC is there, I think. Yes, GIAC forensic. Wait a second, I just forgot the name. Yes, so this is the GSAC certified forensic analyst, and there are a lot of things also, like FTK forensic investigator is there. I think I can show you my certification of FTK. I don't know which certification was there because I'm having a lot of certificates. Digital forensic achievement, dark educational. Uh, it is on short course from Charles Sturt University. And this is what this is. This is network security associate certification. TCP VROD. This is from ICSC. This is my certification of CNSS, Certified Network Security Specialist. I think this is the okay. So this. Okay, so this is my certification from FTK, Access Data Certified Investigator. So these are the different type of certifications, or you can say that can be validated that you are a true. Basically, you are validated to work on a crime scene, or you can say work with the evidences. I'm having one of autopsy also, I think, but it is not a certification. It is just a training certificate. So let's start. Basically, there is a difference between technical witness and expert witness. So, what is a technical witness? Basically, it do all the field work. All the field work is done by the technical witness. It submits is its you can say all the findings and conclusions, but it does not interact with anybody. It provides it facts that is found in investigation. Basically, technical witness is the person who does all the investigation work. He prepares a testimony report also. And then there is an expert witness. The work of expert witness is in court of law. So he is also having absolute knowledge and a field knowledge. He offers a point of view and observations and conclusion in the court of law. And then he works for the attorney. Basically, he works for the court of law. So this is a very much important point. As you are expert witness, you will be dealing with media also. There will be news
Sir,
channels. Yes.
sir, can you back the previous slide?
Yes, sure.
Sir, testimony and attempt no, whatever said
Yeah,
attempt
attorney.
attorney. So,
Attorney.
sir, can you
Yes.
explain that one?
Yes. Testimony and attorney are two different things. Prepares testimony. Basically, it is referring to the report that you will be creating in an investigation. You will be creating a report now. You just shared the templates that how a report look likes. So testimony. So this is documentation process, and attorney. Basically, there is no difference between them because they are completely different. One is documentation and one is court of law. A person, typically a lawyer appointed to act as an another in business of legal matters. Testimony, a format statement that something is true, especially one in media or a court. Basically, this is a piece of paper and this is a person. That is basically this is you can say related to court of law, and this is a document that a forensic investigator will be creating.
Sir, and yeah, field work and field knowledge. Can you
Okay.
explain?
Basically, who is doing the field work will be having the knowledge, and the expert witness will be having knowledge also. Basically, both will be having knowledge, but field work will be done by only one person. Can you also guide which certification course should be done, which would be useful for my future prospectus in job, and further also from where I should do? I'm a new in this field, so please guide me. Okay, you can ask in doubt section or WhatsApp section because I think most of them will be out of topic. So dealing with media, it is also a very much important factor. Like if you have seen the case of late respected Sushant Singh Rajput, a lot of you can say statements and chats and call recordings were leaked. That should not be done. That was done by expert witness and foreign investigators. This is the major drawback of any type of crime. Basically, we have created own scenario that he have not suicided. It is a you can say murder. The you can say the conclusion is made by the public, not by the court of law. So even if the court of law declares it a suicide, then there will be a disbelief in the court of law that the court of law is you can say dealing with the money, or they are taking the money, they are having the power, so they are misusing the powers. So you should not deal with media first, because before coming to any conclusion, you cannot give your opinion because you are not the decision taker, and you cannot just take the side of one thing, or you cannot even you can say just tell anything, any confidential data in the media. So basically, media will be behind you. You will be like a actor, or you can say media star to the you can say the media, because you are the only person from which they can get access to the investigation process. Avoid contact with media during a case. Do not give opinions about the trial or media. Simply refer to the attorney. Yes, you have to refer to them to the attorney, that you will be that whatever the decision will be made by court, you will be connected to that. Avoid conversing with the media because it is unpredictable what the journalist might publish. The comments might influence the case. It can create record for the future testimony which can be against you. Finding a computer forensic expert, contact a professional association and gather the information of members. Check with the non-commercial electronic evidence information center, which provides detail of information about the forensic experts. Some of the organizations that provide expert services. So basically, you can just go through them on web also, because there are a lot of organizations today. Evidence preparation and documentation. Basically, these are the four general steps, and all these steps are very good. Document every important aspect in the case during investigation. So yes, to create document of every aspect is very much important. Safeguard the integrity. How can you safeguard? Using the hash value. If it is the manual, you can just put a sign on it, signature on it. Catalog and index for easy understanding. Professional experience per request peer. Basically, all the words are, you can say, bold also. Document, integrity, catalog and index, professional experience. Role of computer forensic expert. Uh, Examines personal computer email. So basically, these are the, you can say, type of things that you need to learn if you are you have to, you can say, select this computer forensic expert field. You have to examine emails, helps the court in understanding, finds the deleted files. Okay, so these are for the law. Review all the files. Basically, you should also do this. Testimony of witness. You will be not doing this. Decrypt the encrypted files. Examine all the case documentation. Open the password protected files. Prepares are and one more thing, you have to take permission to offensively break anything, because like if there is any password of on any file, you have to first take the permission that should I break this file or not. Prepare a report for the submission to the lawyer. Determine the date and time of the author of the, because one more thing, because it can have some private stuff, and you should have the permission first to gain access to that folder if it is password protected. If he is not providing the, you can say, password, then firstly you have to take permission from your senior or head who is leading the case with you. And don't just go on, you can say, breaking everything. Firstly try if the, you can say, the owner gives you the password by his own. So firstly you have to ask for the owner for the password. Role of an expert witness. What are the roles of an expert witness? Evaluate the evidence, helps attorney in truth, testifies in court, interact integrate the technical evidence, assists the court in understanding the, basically they will help the, they will help the court of law in understanding your easy language. You will be providing easy language, and you can be expert witness too, so you will be helping the, you can say, judge or the advocates furthermore that how the everything is happening in the background.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Yeah. So normally the expert witness is also the who is also a forensic expert.
yes, yes, yes.
But what the difference of from the technical witness? It's I think it's also the same.
Basically, they both are of different profiles. One is, you can say, doing job for the court of law, and one is doing
Mhm.
job with the law enforcement agency who is investigating a crime.
So the technical it should be working from the agency itself, like from the law
Uh,
enforcement or.
yes, yes, yes. The technical person, yes, it can be a third party also, but in the most of the cases, it is from the law enforcement agency.
Like the representative from law enforcement.
Yes, yes, yes. And the expert
And
witness is appointed by the court of law.
it could be a private.
Yes, it can be private, but most of the time it is, you can say, on a permanent basis.
hmm So it's sometimes it works from a attorney
Yes, yes, they
agent
call.
firm.
Yes, 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 they call expert witness from outside also. Like if there is a case which is having the newest technology and the previous
hmm
expert is not having the knowledge of that much technology, so
Yeah,
they can hire a new expert witness also who can testify all the things clearly.
yeah. So for example, if an attorney firm they have a case, for example, for like electronic evidence, and anybody they can hire as long as it's verified as a certified, or I mean certified expert
If
witness. It's possible.
yes, yes.
Like for me, for example, I'm expert of several tools or
Yes, yes, yes.
reputable companies, and then I can be applied as an expert witness, right?
Yes, you have to
For
apply.
them.
Then there must be hiring through the government. Then you will be assigned an attorney. You cannot select
Mm.
attorney, and the attorney cannot select you. Basically, you will be assigned by the government,
Ah,
so
okay.
that there will be no transparency.
No,
So
no
that there
bias.
should be transparency.
Mhm. Okay.
Yes, this is how everything works.
Unless you are fully employed with that firm, and then you can represent with them
Yes, yes, yes.
also.
No, no,
Okay.
no. You can do freelancing also if you are alone. You should not join any, you can say agency. You can just apply for the, you can say, the position if there is any position. Like in India, UGC net is there for, I think it is, I think for teaching. But there are many, you can say job opportunities. There are a few job opportunities for expert
Mhm.
witness. But yes, there are opportunities in expert witness also. You
Okay.
should, it is not, basically it is on your choice that you are representing an agency or you are doing it yourself.
Okay. So this means you can also go if I'm an expert forensics. I can also go with these kind of firms and apply as a freelancer just in case you have something
Yes, 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 you can
requirements
definitely
for
apply.
electronic cases, something
Yes,
that I
yes,
can expert witness, and then
can
if they have, then they can call me on basis.
exactly, exactly. Like I am an expert witness for Bitcoin cases. If there is a major, you can say, they are not understanding the scenario of Bitcoin and many things related to it, I will be assisting
Okay,
them. Um,
perfect.
but there are a very few cases in India because in India there are so much of restrictions in on Bitcoin, so there are very few cases.
No, even for example, the traditional attorneys which never studied about
Yes,
electronics or
yes,
computers, and
yes,
then if I can offer go there if they want to
yes, yes,
explain
yes.
how,
You should go
when and
there.
how,
Yes, yes,
and I
yes,
can explain with them. I can explain them, so when they go to the uh, court of law, they can testify and they can defend maybe their clients how it works, and maybe they can tell them how they ask these questions.
yes,
You
yes,
know how it
exactly.
happens.
Exactly. And one more thing, if you are just doing for freelancing, one more thing can be there. You can just contact the local agency or in the attorney also. Like there will be many advocates that are not having the any knowledge of these oh
Hmm.
sorry, electronical evidences. So you can help them out that how this evidence can help you out in solving that case.
I see. So okay. So basically, I can also start with that job, right?
Yes,
If I am
yes, yes.
certified.
Yes, you are having at least one or two certifications that you then you can proceed. So these are the, you can say, rules that are set. Do not record conversations on telephone calls. Learn about all other people involved in the basic point of dispute. Basically, you are not from party A, you are not from party B. You are the decider of both party A and B. So you should not involved with party A and not with party B. You should be you are appointed by attorney, so you should be helping only the judge in taking the decision on behalf of both A and B. Do not agree to testify or subject matters for which you are not an expert. So yes, you should not agree to you should not testify any matter of which you are not an expert. Like they are not expert in witness, so they are not able to testify the, you can say, that blockchain or Bitcoin evidences. So then the moment come when there is a need of, you can say, expert witness who is good in Bitcoin or good in, you can say, anything, any tool can be there or anything can be there. Do not keep secrets from the client's legal team. Okay. Never exaggerate funds. Do not intimidate by the process. Okay, these are also the rules. Do not write fax, mail, communicate in another way unless they please instructed to do so. Basically, you should not communicate to any of the parties if you are not allowed to do this. Do not research. Uh, okay, it is also a very much good point. Just see this point. Second point. It is a very good point. Do not do research and analysis. You have not been asked to do. You respect the guidelines imposed by the client's legal team. So I know, and you also know, you are having the knowledge, and you know this document can be further processed by this by using this and this and this and this. But you should not do any type of research work, or you should not do any type of investigation purpose, or you can not do any type of work on that evidences. You just have to follow the guidelines that are, you can say, presented to you.
It means, in short, you can only do the investigation uh, within your search warrant or within your scope of case, correct?
Yes, yes, yes. I have. We have to. You have to just strictly follow the. You can say your case and just follow the guidelines that are provided by you, that are provided to you. Like you are provided to testify that whether this document provides this, you can say, statement or not. Whether this, you can say, evidence proves this statement or not. You have to do that thing only. You cannot further investigate that particular evidence or anything. Can you provide service to that case technically? To which case? Yes, yes, yes. We can No, no, no. If you are an expert witness, you cannot provide technical service. You cannot provide any type of, you can say, guess, or any type of, you can say, that you are having any type of, basically, you are a technical witness. Can you provide service to a witness? No, you cannot provide any type of technical service to a technical witness. It will be totally wrong. Do not permit the compensation to a tied outcome. Do not legal. Basically, these are the legal terms. The second point was a very major point. You should not do any process or any investigation work for any of the party.
Sir, I was talking about the technical witness.
Can you provide the service to the case? Yes, you can provide the technical uh, what is your question? Can you elaborate your question? This.
No, sir, actually, I wrote this many minutes back.
Oh, yes, yes, I can
This
have
is
it.
not
Can
in
you?
conversation. Yes.
Okay, okay. So is it answered or should I answer it again?
No, sir, I got information.
Okay, okay. Thanks. What makes a good expert witness? Good experts can talk with the jurors in a way that shows they have confidence. Basically, confidence is the key, that you should have confidence in the matter that you have. Because you are an expert, you should have confidence. Complicated material explanation. Expert witness should observe the jurors, avoid overextending opinions. Basically, these are the basic things that expert witness should do. Testifying during cross-examination, be prepared with the challenging. If you are expert, basically, you should not, in my opinion, you should not just apply for them. You should firstly prepare for you can say, for getting expertise. You should have at least 5 years of experience, because you are expert and there are two parties which are fighting with each other, and you are the third person who will be interfering both the parties. So there will be a lot of challenging questions in front of you. To deal with them, you needs to be expertise in your field. Be prepared for the challenging pre-constructed questions. Be prepared for the rapid fire. Be prepared for the nested questions. So what is nested question? Question within a question. Some questions cause conflicting answers, so you have to deal with them also. Attorney makes speeches and phrases. Be patient. Avoid feeling stressed or losing control. Balance the language. So basically, this three parts was important, very much important, and controlling language is also very much important factor, because you are dealing in court of law, and your behavior language describes a lot of you. Okay, examining computer evidence, examine emails, review files. Okay, we are done with this. Prepare the report. Ask the legal representative report. Expert report. Okay, so at final you should also having an expert report that should be describing everything and your opinion also, and a conclusion also related to all the opinions. Document and data information considered in making. So statement should be there. Your statement should be there. Document should be there on which behalf you have taken the statement. Evidences should be there. List of evidences, basically. List of cases you have provided evidence in next. Okay, this is nothing. Evidence presentation, how you should present. Evidence processing, so these are also very much good steps. These are this from the start to end. Examine, preserve, monitor. Documentation, create different checklist. Creating checklist is very much important. Basically, you have to just create a checklist that you have to that so that you cannot forget anything that is left behind. Like just create a checklist of deleted files, and then encrypted files, and then hard drive, so that you should not forget anything. If you are just doing anything, just take that thing so that you know that this part is done. Avoid personal comments or ideas. There on the report there is a special section for comments also. Not any successful output. If there is any output, validate. Validate evidence using hash algorithm, that I make you understand that what is hash algorithm and how you can validate it. Search for keywords using well-defined parameters. Uh, okay. Collect evidences and the document employ tools. Okay, nice. Make simple and precise notes of the investigation. Make it as more simple as you can. Document the steps to prove the repeatable. Okay, so create a document stepwise so that it is more clear by the steps. Preserve the evidence. Preserving is very much important till the you can say preserving is important till the court of law has taken any final decision of the case. Maintain the chain of custody, collect the right information. Basically, these are the so this is the summary, I think. Yes. An expert witness is a witness who, by virtue of education, okay, it is done, assist or planted when lies, establishing facts and assembling merits of case, helps in present. Nothing determines the basic concept of cases before beginning. Okay, so basic concepts should be there in the beginning and till the end. That examination is very much important of an expert witness that offers a clear overview. Okay, so this is also very much good point. Direct examination is an important part of an expert witness testimony that offers a clear overview of all the findings during a trial. Basically, trial is the part where there is a, you can say the basically this is in the court of law which is you can say taking decisions. During the trial, decisions are made, and the expert witness plays a major role in that thing. That offers a clear overview. Basically, it provides the clear picture of the whole scene of the whole incident in the court of law during the trial, so that it is very much easy to make the you can say decisions about the about anything about the case, about the making decisions of much more related stuff and so on.
Hello.
Yes, now
Yeah.
you can come up
So,
with your
yes, sir.
questions.
Yes. Have you experienced that when the during the court of trial, they have been open the laptop and try to load the evidence and try to show to the judge that this file has been found in this documents, for example. Have they done that
No,
during the trial of
I
the
haven't done
electronic
that.
evidence?
No, I haven't done that till yet, because I'm not any expert witness,
Uh-huh.
because it requires a very deep knowledge and at least 5 years of experience. I'm not having that much of experience, because I have taken time for certifications also and deep knowledge in all these stuff also.
Mhm.
By becoming an expert witness, you will be categorized to a single field. So I was firstly developing all the
No,
skills
because
and all
I
the
am just wondering how they do it, because when they if they just created the report and they just tell them that this is the evidence, this without explaining that loading the evidence how they found it, how the judge will
uh,
understand that this,
no,
yeah,
no.
something like this.
Basically, just go to the second slide, so it will be more clear. So all the part is done by technical witness. So it will show how the document is loaded, how he have created image, how he have
So the
done
technical
the.
witness will verify all of this.
Yes. Expert witness will
Okay.
verify that the technical witness should not, you can say, make fool of the judge, because judge is not technically
Hmm.
sound.
So the technical witness is the part of the judge.
No, expert witness is the part of judge. Basically, technical witness is the person who investigate everything. Basically, let's just take a great example. I am a technical witness.
Hmm.
I am investigating a case.
Yes.
You have done a murder of your friend, and you have called your friend 2 times before. You have called your friends on a phone to come at your place.
Mhm.
I am a technical
Yes.
witness.
Hmm.
You provide
So this
me.
means it's like this. The people like the investigator work in the government
Yes, yes, yes.
that has been
Expert witness.
reported by the victims that or somebody
Wait, wait, wait. Let
told
me
them that
just.
there's a crimes in there,
Wait, wait,
and they
wait.
go.
Let me just show you with an example. It will be very much clear to you. Let's take example of Sam. A boy named Sam is there, and one boy named uh, Wim. Take Wim. They both are friends. Sam has make a call to Wim. Phone call is there. So phone call is there, and then Wim has visited the place of Sam, and Sam have then murdered Wim. So then the case is the crime is done. Then the team of law enforcement agency, the investigation agency will go there and collect evidence. I am a technical witness. I have very much great understanding of every aspect related to, you can say, all the electronic evidences. So I will be investigating your case, but you are very much clever. You bribe me up with an amount of $10,000 to change my report, or to just show in my report that there was no phone call. And the technical witness can also get out from the case by just saying that you missed the call logs. Missed. Even if you are caught, you can just say you missed the call logs. Missed call logs. So this is how everything is done. So this is judge, and you can provide all the documents, and you can even prove that Sam was not the one that has done the crime. So by electronically, the forensic science students, the all the forensic studies are different. I am just telling about the electronic evidences that the technical witness, if it is bribed, if he is bribed, or if he is, if he, just take an example, this can be anything. If he can even the of he can be a family member also, plus family member, or there can be any reason to just protect the criminal from the crime. So like if the Sam brother is in investigation, he will never be wanting his brother behind the bars. So he will be try to manipulate the, you can say, all the witnesses, all the, you can say, criminal artifacts and everything he can try. So basically in that case everything will be lost, because they have hash value also, but hash value will also be of no use if he has missed the call logs, because the evidence is same, so authenticity is maintained, integrity is maintained, but only missed call logs is missing, so nobody can do anything in that case. But there is a expert to verify if he have followed all the steps, if the document he have proved he has taken is right or not, and and more things related to it. Basically, technical witness can create a false copy also. Like if technical witness and Sam are enemies, he can just provide like there was a call, but Sam has not murdered. He can provide that there was a call, so this can be possible. So basically he can design the case in such a way so that there are many possibilities in Sam getting caught by you can say in the hands of behind the bars, because he can just create the evidences also for Sam. He can build a story that is very much, you can say, near to the story revolving around the murder of Sam and Wim and the connection between Sam and Wim. Basically he can come up with the documents with that there were fights between them in the chats. Basically fights are very much common in friends. I think every even if you are having a best friend, there is a small fight abusive languages there, and you can say small fights are even there if you are even friends and if you are not taking talking daily. So he can just create a mess with the smallest you can say document that is present in the you can say your electronic document. So expert witness is very much important. I have written expert document,
So
expert witness.
the expert witness usually validates
Yes, he will validate everything,
validates.
and
Hmm.
he will then clear his opinion to the judge.
Yeah,
After you can say clearing all the documents, then judge will be able to take a right decision.
true. All right, understood.
Okay, any more questions? Okay, we should end the session. Tomorrow is the session for doubt. If there is any doubt, you can come up tomorrow. And there are 4 doubts that are already they've been taking tomorrow. Expert witness.
Sir, you didn't upload the I mean yesterday video.
Uh, it's management problem. Talk to ForensicMart. Basically, I am the responsible one, but I think there will be a separate drive for that for day 4. From day 4 and day 5, there will be a separate drive. I think I will be provided with the drive today, and as soon as I will be getting the drive link, I will be uploading the all the videos and the presentations, and the tools are also remaining. So I will be uploading all the things like whenever I will be getting the link.
So you will be sharing this automatically to our email,
No.
like shared.
Basically, Forensic Mart will be providing a link to you on WhatsApp, I think.
Yeah. I see. Because the last time you did for the data recovery, you automatically shared the folder to our email.
Yes. I remember that thing.
Yeah, I think that's much better if they can do that again.
Yes, it can also be a good thing, but I'm not having the email of everybody.
Yeah, those they don't have the email and then they can just simply get the link. But those
Mm,
provided email and then they can get the link directly. That's
okay,
better, I
no
guess.
problem in that also. Okay, so any more questions, or should we conclude? Is Vivek here?
So actually, last class I have a lot
Yes.
of question, but I didn't study because you didn't. I didn't got video. That's why.
Okay, you didn't got the video. Okay, no worries. Okay. So basically, this is the reason our drive is full. So I think we will be creating a new drive for internship, and we'll be having a separate drive for internship.
So, sir, if we are sending in Wi-Fi, yeah, I mean WhatsApp, it is better.
If I will be sending video on WhatsApp, it will be better, but I cannot send video of 1.5 hours on WhatsApp.
No,
Uh,
no, no. We will send you link soon via mail. By previously we send.
Okay. As Mart is saying, you all will be provided with the link very soon. No worries in that. Basically, it's not even a question for. Basically, Forensic Mart is doing very much good job in you can say sharing with the uploaded videos and uploaded contents. No other, I think, is providing the this facility of recording.